Hi, I'm Tom from Stupid Fast RC, and this is Adam, my best friend. And today we are looking at the bounce car from Geek Buying.
It is a cheap model of the Sumo because they have taken out all of the extra parts of it, like the camera. It took 1 week to get here, and
it was very cheap. It was only $30. And now we're going to unbox it. Okay, these are the things it will include. Stickers.
The Sumo, not the Sumo.
Car,
the bounce car.
And the remote, instructions, and a charging cord. And here's a quick look at it. Done. Okay.
Oh, that looks sick.
Show them.
So this is how you turn the bounce car on. On the back, you'll see a small button. You push that in, and it should make this noise. Let go, and it should start flashing. That means it's on.
Wow, in my face too.
You go.
Oh, backflip.
Okay.
Oh. Okay, I'm gonna try and make it up on the table.
Oh, nice.
How do I get it higher?
Middle. Oh.
Dang it.
Yeah. Oh.
And now jump it off. Jump it off. Jump.
Oh no.
Yeah. Okay then. Go.
Oh! Here's how you try.
Good.
It needs to be like up. Okay.
Okay, go from this side. Oh, eyes are flashing. No! That sucks.
Oh yes.
Just.
Oh gosh.
Down over 60s. Oh, forwards.
Okay. Tom.
Jump.
Oh.
Yeah, no! Well.
That side of the rack, so
Dang it. Oh, what? Wow, I'm gonna use that.
Oh, nice. Wait.
My overall opinion on the bounce car was it was amazing. I really liked how the spinning on it and the jumping.
My overall opinion was I love the stickers and the wheels, and I just love the whole thing.
Yeah, there's a really good choice amount of stickers there. You can mix them up and match them.
Do the same thing, change it, whatever you want.
See you next
time
time
on Stupid Fast RC.